In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube Shorts in Canva step by step. If you've ever tried making a vertical video and ended up with awkward cropping, text too close to the edges, or clips that just don't feel polished, Canva makes the process much easier. You don't need advanced editing software to create clean, professional-looking shorts. Canva gives you a built-in video editor, a vertical layout made for mobile, and helpful visual guides so your content stays clear and easy to watch. To get started, head to the Canva homepage and create a new design. In the search bar, type YouTube Shorts, then choose the standard YouTube Shorts format at 1080 by 1920 pixels. This is important because it gives you the correct 9 by 16 vertical canvas from the beginning, which helps your video fill the phone screen properly without black bars or stretched visuals. Once your blank project opens, the next thing you want to do is turn on the visual guides. Open the File menu, go to View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides, then turn on Show Margins as well. These guides are extremely useful because YouTube Shorts often display interface elements over parts of the screen, especially near the top, bottom, and right side. Keeping your most important text and visuals inside the safe area will make sure they stay visible when your short is published. Now it's time to bring in your footage. On the left side of the screen, click Uploads, then select Upload Files. Choose your vertical video clips or MP4 files from your computer and let Canva import them. Once the clips are uploaded, drag your video onto the canvas. Canva will automatically snap it into place so it fills the portrait frame, which saves time and makes the layout much cleaner. After that, add your main on-screen text. Go to the Text tab and click Add a Text Box. Place it inside the center safe zone and type your hook or title. Keep it short, bold, and easy to read at a glance. In the top toolbar, choose a strong, high-contrast font such as League Spartan or Montserrat Bold. Then click Animate and apply a simple motion style like typewriter or bounce. You can also adjust the timing in the timeline below so your text appears at the exact moment you want. Before exporting, play the full video once to check that everything looks smooth and that no text crosses outside the margin guides. When you're happy with the result, click Share in the top right, choose Download, set the file type to MP4 video, make sure the quality is at the highest setting, and download your finished short. That's it.